was thinking while having my ramen. I know this is really controversial and it's like a saying in Asian culture. I remember even when I told my Asian friends or my friends in general that to me ramen is not noodles but it is a soup, they were like, you're literally like, this is wrong. I was just thinking that if someone, why I have ramen is for the broth aspect of it and basically everything but the noodles. I know that it would probably be a sin if a restaurant like that even opened, but if someone served me all the components of a ramen, like the pork belly on top, the hard-boiled egg, any of the veggies, yum. The broth, mandatory, but without the noodles I would be extremely happy. Like, that's almost my dream meal. I don't really eat gluten anyway, so I mean, if it was a different kind of noodles I would probably be happier to have it, but to me ramen is quite heavy. Like, I usually can't finish everything anyway, and what is getting left behind is the noodles. So yeah, very controversial idea. But if someone ever opens a restaurant with ramen but no noodles, let me know. I'll be the first in line. My mom told me as a kid that cats were healers and they would come to you when you needed to be healed. They would sit on top of you or sleep with you and help you transmute your energy. And obviously I've been conditioned to believe it, but I even as an adult I can see some truth in that. And I'm actually recording this as she sits on my lap because it's a girl. My room here is so crowded with my stuff right now. It's because while moving out of my last place, the student accommodation, I had to basically take everything here because it didn't really make sense to pay extra money for storage. If you're a student in a big city, I think you've gone through all of this and you would understand. But yeah, basically I'm paying to put my stuff somewhere, so it made more sense to have it here for a while, and then right before I go back home to Poland I'm gonna put it in a storage unit. But yeah, now that I'm recording this, it's already been 2 weeks of my stay, and honestly I'm super excited to go home, but there's also a different side of this where I'm not super comfortable where I currently live and I can't wait to go back to Poland. But on the other hand, I'm gonna be away from my boyfriend when I go back, so it's kind of bittersweet and not so straightforward. Another update right now, which is actually pretty big, is that I can finally do stretches, yoga, Pilates again because my injury is healed. If you don't know, it's taken me about 5 months to heal it and be able to do all of the exercises I like to do painlessly. and I'm definitely taking advantage of it. She's so cute. Why is it flashing? I posted you on Instagram. If you guys want to know why I'm not so actively drinking matcha anymore, definitely check out my last video, as we're leaning towards the end of this one, and I hope you guys liked it. Editing takes me a little bit more time now, so the videos are maybe a bit more special when I actually put them out, and I hope that translates.